Shema everyone, good morning and welcome to day 52 of Ballet Cymru online tutorials. My name is Maria, if you don't know me already, and today we're going to do some glisses together. So yes, I was just thinking it's class 3, I can't believe it's been so long. So yes, as always, please make sure to read our disclaimer and to wear comfy clothes and to have some space around you. That can be either outside or inside, and also because it's barre, make sure to have something stable to hold on. So let's go. We'll have 2 glisses one, 2, 1 pas de cheval, 3 piquets, 1 to the front, 1 to the side, 1 to the front, and close. 2 glisses à seconde, 1, 2, and a wiggle wheel. Turn in, turn out, and close the rear. Start from the back. 2 glisses, 1 pas de cheval, round, piquet, and close. 2 glisses, wiggly wheel, and close the one. So that's the first part of our glisses. Our glisses today is going to be composed of 3 parts. So that's part number 1. Part number 2. Front, push back, push front, hold 3, 4. Back, front, back, hold 3, and 4. From here, we take a full cross. Back, side, front, side, back, side, front. That's actually a full and a half. Okay, so let's go into part number 3. We'll have glisses in first, 8 glisses, closing back, 8 glisses, closing front. Let's go. You can use an arm. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close front. And that's going to be the end of today's exercise. Let's just think about a few things that we should be doing while, or at least thinking about when we're doing glisses. First thing is to keep our hips as still as possible wherever the glisse is. Front, side, or back. We really want, maybe try with your hands first, to try and not be wobbly. That's especially important in the last section of our glisse. When we go in first, we don't want this. We want to try and hold as still as possible. Another thing is to try and make our piquets as light as we can. We want to feel this, so we want them nice and light. Another thing, maybe you can hear it, I'm really trying to use my floor as much as possible, and that's something that I've already said in my other glisses videos, so maybe if you want to go and have a look at that as well. So yes, try and make a noise when you brush. That's really important, and that really helps even for girls in point shoes to strengthen your feet muscles. So yes, I think that's enough to think about. So as always, find something stable to hold on, try and think about all of these corrections and just enjoy. As we have 2 legs, I think it's right that we do it to the left as well. So get ready and let's go. So that's the end for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed, and keep watching Ballet Cymru, keep watching our videos, and if you enjoy, please share some with us, maybe a video or a photo, and yeah, see you soon. Goodbye.